Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. So in this class we have learned that how to build the Instagram logo using HTML only. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like the video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So now first of all I will tell you what will I building. So Instagram logo I will building. So here I will building that for you. Instagram clone, here you can see it. I will building that for you. Instagram logo, sorry. I will building that for you. Here you can see it. So let's start the video. So first of all, here is my video screen. Here is screenshot, and here I will open with choose another app. Erase it. So now, first of all, here we can write HTML. HTML will be my Instagram. So, till I mark it done. So here, first of all, here we can write center, enter press, div, class will be container, enter div, class will be Insta, enter div, class, internal, enter div, class will be degree, class will be degree, enter. So till here my work is done. So we can enter, here we can go. So here we can enterprise, and here we can write style. So now let's start. So first of all, style should be my style should be dot container. First of all, container should be my border 1 pixel solid BB. So here we can enter height 130 pixels, enter width should be 130 pixels also, enter margin top should be 250 pixels, enter border radius 25 pixels, enter box shadow 0.6 pixels 25 pixels, enter. So now till here my work is done. So now first of all I will go to the down, and here we can write background should be linear gradient, and here we can write 6559 CA, comma BC 318F, comma there comma. So first of all here we can write 30%, then comma, then here we can write hashtag E33F5F, and tell him my work is done 50%, comma, hashtag F77538, and it is 70%, now comma, and now here you can write light. So first of all I will see the colors. What colors is style? So color is, I will copy the colors, okay, only colors I will copy it, colors. So I will colors, we can paste it. So colors is that, you can see it, colors that, you can see it, color is like that. So now start. So now till my work is done. So now dot insta border 5 pixels solid FF, enter height 70 pixels, width 70 pixels, border radius 20 pixels, enter margin top 28 pixels, enter dot internal should be enter border 2 pixels solid FF and FF enter, and here we can write height 30 pixels, height 30 pixels, width should be also 30 pixels, enter. Border radius should be border radius should be also 30 pixels, margin top should be 20 pixels, save, then refresh. So here you can see it till my work is done, and so here we can write like enter dot degree border should be 1 pixel solid FF enter, height 5 pixels enter, border radius here height should be 5 pixels, width should be also 5 pixels enter, border radius should be also 5 pixels enter, background should be FF enter, margin left should be 30 pixels. So till my work is done. So here we can write margin top should be minus 10 pixels. Save, then refresh. So here till my work is done. So here we can erase, then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. Easily we can build that. So first of all, I will see the colors. It is here you can see it is color 6559 CA is a first color. Second color is BC31AF and 30%. And third color is E335F5F 50%. And fourth color is F77638 70%. And fifth color is FEC66D 100%. Okay. So you can give a background color, but I will not give, because here is I will give the background color. So it is one problem. I will see it. You can like I will give dark blue. Then save. Then refresh. Sorry, first of all here not body background color. Background should be dark blue. Then save, then refresh. So here you can see it. You can give background color also. Okay, it is not problem. So here you can see it. You can also give a background color, and here you can write like yellow. You can give any background color. Okay, here you can see it. So I will like pink. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is a Instagram logo. I will build that for you. Here you can see it. So here you can see it. So here you can see it easily. I will build that for you. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy it. Like my video. Share, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.